Hey YouTube, it's the Hooligan. I just took my WL 144001. What a stupid name. Anyways, most people know what this is. WL Toys 144001. I was gonna make a running video. I took it out for a quick run. I went down, back, and snap. The upper arm, right there at the knuckle. Let it go, obviously. Fat fingers. There. It snapped. But when I was skidding and that hit that wheel on a rock and it barrel rolled. So I'll probably JB weld it, but order up new ones. Oh well. I guess I'll have to charge up the Gen 8 and play with it some more. Later.